Hello, my name is Krasimir Kabakčiev, and I'm from Sofia, Bulgaria. And I'm going to talk to you about compositional aspect. You don't know what compositional aspect is? You don't know what Bulgaria is or where it is? Never mind. I didn't know what compositional aspect is 44 years ago, but I learned. And I know now very well what compositional aspect is. And I would like to convince you that I know what compositional aspect is. And I am going to do my best to show you that I know what compositional aspect is. See you later, alligator. No, it's not about photography. It's about the Cheshire cat. The cat that smiles. Now somebody will say, all cats smile. Yes, but the Cheshire cat is special. The Cheshire cat is male. He enters a place and smiles. After that, he leaves the place. But what happens? You know, his smile remains. How is this possible? Somebody will ask. Don't ask me. Ask Lewis Carroll, the author of, you know what, Alice in Wonderland.